Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today, guys, I have 3 different dragon fruits, and this will be my last dragon fruit video for the season. So, as you can see, we have the red, gold, and green, red, gold, and green, bloop, 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 bloop. So, we have the red, the gold, and the green. All praises due to the Most High. Jah Rastafari. All right. So we're gonna start off with the yellow or the gold, and we're gonna take the bricks, and we are going to do the taste test on this one. All right. So this is what that looks like on the inside, and this is the outer. This has been sitting in the refrigerator for about 3 days. Matter of fact, let's take the bricks on this. The last one that I had was very sweet. It came in about at a 16. So the last one that I had was very sweet. It came in at about a 16. I'm gonna go to the center again, because that's where the sweetest part of the dragon fruit is. And let's take the bricks. And once again, bricks is coming in at a strong 16. Just the way I like it. Let's take a bite. Right on target. Very sweet, very delicious. This is what it looks like. So if I had to grow a perfect white flesh, this would be the perfect white flesh fruit. All right, guys, let's get into the other one. We're gonna get into this right here. This is a Haley's Comet delivered to me by Grandma Zoo. So we're gonna get into this one next. If you've made it this far in the video, why haven't you hit that like, share, and subscribe button yet? It's free. It's your Cali Bro J. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. And now let's continue with the video. Peace. Beautiful Haley's Comet. Ooh, you can never go wrong with a Haley's Comet. There you have it. Now I'm gonna take the bricks. Guys, the bricks on this is coming in at an 18. Which I'm not surprised at all. This is the Haley's Comet. Woo! Once again, all day, top 5. Ooh. And last, we have the Azunta 4. And this one has been giving me mixed reviews. So this is gonna be the final one for the season. The first one I had was sweet and tart. The second one I had was more sweet. And now I'm gonna see what the last one brings. As you can see, this one is a little bit greener. This is a green fruit, but you can see it blushing a little bit at the bottom. And we're gonna open this one and see what it looks like. All right, guys. So the last one, Azunta 4. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. All right, got some juices. Bricks meter. All right, guys, the bricks is coming in at a strong 18. The bricks coming in at a strong 18. Now, most importantly, let's do the taste test. All right, here it is, Azunta 4. Guys, this is the absolute best way to end the season with 3 different powerful dragon fruits. I want to thank each and every new subscriber, each and every new channel member for hanging out with me this season, trying the different dragon fruits, all the prizes that were sent out, and I still probably might have some pomegranate boxes to send out, but I want to thank each and every single one of you for your comments, your subscriptions, your membership. It truly means a lot to me, and this is the perfect way to end the season. If you don't know the motto on the page, each one teach one. It's your Cali Bro J, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.